Welcome to today's tutorial on adding footnotes in Google Docs. Whether you're writing an academic paper, a research article, or simply need to cite sources, footnotes are a powerful tool. In this video, we will show you how to insert footnotes seamlessly. Let's get started. 1. Position your cursor. Place your cursor where you want the footnote indicator, usually a number, to appear in your text. 2. Insert the footnote. Click on Insert in the menu bar, select Footnote. You'll see the footnote indicator where you placed your cursor. Simultaneously, the cursor will move to the bottom of the page where you can enter your footnote text. 3. Type your footnote in the footnote area. Type your note, details, or reference. Keep it concise and relevant. You can add as many footnotes as needed throughout your document. 4. Automatic numbering. Google Docs automatically numbers footnotes sequentially based on the page you're on. If you add more footnotes, they'll adjust accordingly. 5. Removing a footnote. To remove a footnote, delete the footnote indicator in your text. The numbering will adjust for the remaining footnotes. Congratulations! You've learned how to add footnotes in Google Docs. Now you can enhance your documents with proper citations and references. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.